What is up, everybody? This is JTrain back again with another video, another unboxing video. Now, I told you guys that I had something very special planned for a future unboxing video, and actually, this is one of the things that came with it. So, you might be able to maybe guess what the big unboxing video is, but this video is going to be on some Apple AirPods. Now, I've never actually owned a pair of AirPods, but I'm really excited. I actually don't listen to music in the gym, and people think that I'm crazy for that. A lot of that is because I just don't like the way that the wires look when I'm wearing stringer tank tops. I think that you guys might have seen a lot of my workout videos where I'm, wearing stringer tank tops and stuff like that. I just don't like the look, so I never did it, and I don't want to. I feel like the wires are cumbersome and everything, but I see a lot of people wear these Apple AirPods, and so I bought something recently, which you'll see a video of, that came, and these came free. So I was like, hey, why the heck not? Let me get a pair. Something I think would be really cool on, I've been doing a lot of, more cardio work, more treadmill work and everything. So I think that this would, I think these might be useful and everything. And I've never heard anyone say anything bad about AirPods. So let's go ahead and let's get into an unboxing of this. Now, what I really like is Apple's packaging. It's very clean. It's very nice. And, you see the Apple logo right there. I mean, it kind of screams, quality. They really, harkening back to Steve Jobs and everything, they're really into making even the unboxing like an experience, and that's why you see a lot of videos of people doing unboxings and stuff. So here is the AirPod. It tells you kind of like how you charge it and everything. Yeah, and it's nicely wrapped and everything. Feels nice and strong. Even the box material seems very strong. I mean, you can hear it's very tough and everything. So, let's go ahead and open it up. So I have a little knife right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Kind of get into it. This seems to be a nice spot to kind of try. There we go. Should this come out? Here we go. Nice crinkled paper. Put that to the side. Kind of hear the nice matte, if you guys could feel this, it's very nice and matte and nice and smooth. And again, these are like little bumped up areas. Let me see if I can. You can hear that, and nice echoing when you do this. Nice shiny Apple logo. Let's go ahead and open it up. And of course, the first thing you see in an Apple product is designed by Apple in California. Let's go ahead and pull that out. It says designed by Apple in California. AirPods. Put this down here. This is just an instruction manual. It tells you all the good stuff you're going to need to know to set this up. For AirPods, not much more comes with this. A lot of people disregard the manuals and everything, but I think it's really cool how they package it. I mean, you just don't really see companies really take the time to. I mean, look at that sleeve right there. If you can, even this is quality. And then, ta-da! Look what it says, guys. It says JTrain on them. Look at that. Hey, I got mine customized. They actually let you customize it for free. Mine say JTrain on them. Let's go ahead and take it out. There's a nice little pin right here. And that seems to be mostly it. Actually, no. Let's put these to the side. Here comes your charge cable right here. Just open this up. This is the cable that you're going to use to power it on. It looks like it's a USB connector, so it can go with your little power brick that you use for your iPhones and stuff, and attaches right here to power on the device. Go ahead and put that on the side as well. And here it is. Here are the AirPods, guys. Look at that. It just fits in the palm of your hand. And then you got the, you can see at the bottom right here. Let's go ahead and take this off. Probably makes a nice sound. And then I guess on the other side right here. Nice. I mean, even this packaging right here, it's like a it just doesn't feel like plastic. It feels like more. It feels like it's a nice smooth plastic right here. Just the kind of stuff that Apple takes to make all of their products, like just this experience, is pretty outstanding. So here it is. Here's the custom J-Train. Let's get that in focus. The custom J-Train AirPods right here. You can see on the back there's this nice little, you know, sensor looking thing on the back. Here's the charger right here. It's nice. Let's go ahead and oh, I still can't get over the J-Train. That's so awesome. Let's go ahead and open them up. There you go. You see they blink upon you opening them up. Take them out. And those are your AirPods, guys. This one is the right here. Get that in focus. This one is the left one right here. And they just fit nice and snug into your ear. I mean, they feel, you know, they don't look like much, but they feel like quality. I mean, even the little metal at the bottom is really nice as well. And then this case, I guess it's saying that they're charged. It's what the green light is saying right here, and just nicely snaps. I guess it's like magnetized. See in the back right here. And then they just fit nice and snug back in. Let's see if I can remember how to put these. Nope, of course I chose the wrong one. That way. They just fit nice and snug back in, and there you go. Those are some AirPods, guys. Let's go ahead and move this back. Those are your Apple AirPods. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, let me know. If you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe. I'll do some more unboxings as I'm able to get them. I'm really excited to use these AirPods. If you have AirPods, please give me some advice on, you know, what you think about them. If you like them and everything, let me know what you think about this custom J-Train logo right here. And yeah, also for the big item that I was going to do an unboxing for, stay tuned. That'll be on my channel very shortly after this video drops. Go ahead and take a look at it. And then also I'm going to post the playlist link to my other unboxing videos that you can check out as well. Alright guys, see ya.